Chapter 1 Number System Part 3. So in Part 2 you studied number lines, rational numbers and irrational numbers, representation of irrational numbers on the number line. In Part 3 you are going to study real numbers and their decimal expansion. Real numbers and their decimal expansion. So what is real numbers? Rational numbers and irrational numbers are called real numbers. It is denoted by capital R. Already in the part 1 already I have given. Clear? Real numbers means rational numbers and irrational numbers are called real numbers. Simply remember this. Clear? So now we will see the real numbers is nothing but rational number, irrational numbers. So whose decimal representation is two types. In rational number you have two types. One is terminating decimal. Terminating decimals. Terminating decimal means ending. Decimal part is ending. Here, for example, 0.5. Only one decimal, that is countable. Here, 0.5. 0.125. Okay, 3 decimal places. Okay, 5.325. 5.325. So ending, decimal part is what? Ending. Clear? After decimal, that is decimal part. Before decimal, you have integer part. Clear? So in the decimal part, you see the decimal places, 3 decimal places there. That is ending, terminating. Here, this is called terminating. Terminating decimals. Another one, non-terminating and repeating decimal. For example, you see 0.33333333 like this it will be. Clear? That is the same decimal repeating. Clear? Same decimal what repeating is 333 like that repeating. So that's why it is called what? Non-terminating. Non-terminating, it is what? It is going on. Clear? Not never ending. Non-terminating means never ending. It is going on. Clear? So the 3 is repeating. 3 is repeating. Next example you see 1.25252525 like that. Clear? So 25, this group of decimal repeating you see. Okay, repeating, that is never ending. It is going on. That's why simply we can write it as this one 0.3 bar. Clear? 0.3 bar. In bar we can write. Okay, the repeating decimals you can put bar. Same way here 1.25 bar. 1.25 bar like this you can write. You come to irrational numbers. So irrational number decimal expansion. How the decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-repeating decimals. Non-terminating and non-repeating decimals. Clear? For example, you see 0.12, again 112, again 1112, again 11112. Like this it is going on. Never ending. It is going on. Clear? Same with this example you see 7.70, 700, 7 like this it is going on. So like this so many examples you can. Clear? So in part 2 also we have seen, okay, in a number line you have rational numbers, infinite number of rational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay, even between two numbers you have infinitely many irrational numbers are there. That's why what you can write so many examples. You see the pattern. How to write the pattern you see. 0.12. Clear? The next what? 1. This 1 you can put here 2 1. Then same thing you write. Then okay 3 ones. Then 2. Then 4 ones. Like this if you put means that is the non-repeating. You will get non-repeating. Clear? You see here repeating means same digit. Same group of digits should repeat. Clear? But here you will not have this type of group. Group of numbers not having. 1 to there. Next to 1 to not there. 1 1 2 is there. Then 1 1 1 2 is there. You will not find any group. So that it is non-repeating decimals, non-terminating and non-repeating decimals. We will say occurring and non-occurring, same meaning. Non-repeating, then repeating means occurring, repeating is occurring. This find the decimal expansion of 10 by 3 comma 7 by 8 and 1 by 7. Correct. Now first we will see 10 by 3. 10 by 3 just ordinary division. Clear? 10 you write inside 3. How many times will go? 3 times. Clear? So now write 9. Again 1 cannot divide. So if you add 1 0 means here keep point. Keep point. Again you are getting 10. So how many times? 9. So 3 times will go. 9 you put. So again remainder 1. Again 1 more 0 you can put. Clear? See, first time you are putting 0 only, you have to keep point. Then you can add 1 0. Like that you can, okay, add zeros. So again 3 into 3, 9. 3 will come. Clear? Again 1. So it is what? Repeating. It is repeating. Clear? It will go on like this. Never ending. It is never ending. Therefore, 10 by 3 can be written as 10 by 3 can be written as 0.333 ... So this is nothing but 0.3 bar. So it is repeating on. Clear? Like this it is going on. Okay. So we can write 10 by 3 can be written as 3.3333 ... So this repeating decimal we can put in bar. That's all. Clear? This can be written as 3.3 bar. Okay. Same way 7 by 8. 7 right inside by 8. So we cannot divide. So give point means 1 0 you add. 0 0 0, as many 0 you can add. Put 1 point. Clear? So now in 8 how many 9s? How 70? How many 8s there? 8 8s are 64. So 8. 64. Clear? Now what is the remainder? 60. How many 8s in 60? 56. 7. 7 8s are 56. Again remainder is 4. Remainder is 4. 0 1 0 add. Okay. Now how many 8s in 40? 5. 40. Correctly remainder is 0. Remainder is 0 means it is ending, terminating. Clear? So this 7 by 8 is nothing but 0.875. 7 by 8 is nothing but 0.875. So that this is a terminating decimal. This is terminating decimal. This is nothing but non-terminating and repeating decimal. Non-terminating and repeating decimal. This 1 by 7 you will see. You see, now you take 1 by 7. Okay, 7 outside, 1 inside you write. Okay. See, we cannot divide. That's why adding 1 0 means keep point. So how many time will go? 1 time. 1. That is remainder is 3. 1 0 you can add. So how many time will go? 4 times. Okay, 28. So remainder 2. Again 1 0 add. Then how many time will go? 2 times. 14. Okay, 14. Remainder 6. 0. 1 0 add. How many time will go? 8 times. 7 are 56. Right? Remainder 4. And 1 0 add. How many time will go? 5 times. Oh, 35. Remainder 5. 50. 7 times will go. So 49. Remainder 1. You see, same number you will get. Remainder is the same number dividend, same dividend if you get means you stop it, because again same thing will repeat. If you put 0 means again 1 you will get, again same thing will repeat. Okay, so you can write 1 up to 7 written, then 1 4 2 8 5 7. It will be going on. This group, this part is what, from here to here the part is repeating. Clear? Therefore this 1 by 7 can be written as 0.14285 7 bar. This again the same the same decimal part is repeating. You see, that's why it is called non-terminating. It is going on, so non-terminating and repeating decimal, and repeating decimal. Non-terminating and repeating decimal. Now you understood. Second example, so that 3.142678 is a rational number. Rational number means what? A number can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. That form you have to make. This is the decimal form. This is the decimal form. It is terminating decimal, of course. So you have to prove it is a rational number. So rational number means you have to bring the form P by Q. Clear? So let you take this number 3.14268. So how many after decimal? How many decimal there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 decimal there. So 1 is followed by 6 zeros. Simply write. When you multiply means it will become integer. That means you are removing the decimal. Clear? Same way denominator also you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then only it will be balanced. Clear? So that is equal to, now numerator alone you multiply. How much? 3, 1. Decimal will be removed. Clear? When you multiply, decimal will be removed. Now write the denominator. So this is which form? This is in the form of P by Q. This is in the form of P by Q. This is in the form of P by Q. Therefore, it is rational number. Therefore, 3.142678 is rational. Hence proved. The next example you will see. So that 0.333 that is 0.3 bar can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Clear? So previous problem we have seen terminating decimal. Now this is non-terminating and repeating decimals. Clear? So rational numbers you have two forms. Remember, decimal representation of rational number you have two forms. One is terminating decimal. Another one is non-terminating and repeating decimal. Clear? Remember always. Now this one how to prove? Same 0 point. Let you take x. Take it x. 0.3333 is going on. Clear? You name it equation number 1. Okay. Now again the same decimal part you have to get same thing. So like that you have to think. Decimal here 0.33 there. So another decimal, another equation also in the decimal form you have to get same way. Clear? So for that what you can do means you will get multiply by 10. Multiply by 10. Okay, you have to move one decimal means again or 3.33 same decimal part will not change. Same thing you will get. so that easily we can subtract. That's why multiplying by, if you put like this means multiply by 10 on both sides. 10 on both sides. What you will get using 10x is equal to, here 10 multiply means how much? 3.3333 like this it is going on. That is 2. Okay, now we have two equation. Here. So both equation you subtract. On subtract you see the decimal part. Decimal part is same. Here also decimal part is same. That is the idea. You have to bring the decimal part same. For that only we are multiplying here 10. Why we are multiplying 10 means you have to make two equation in the decimal part same, so that easily we can subtract. Here you see, subtract 2 minus 1 gives, the symbol is gives 10x minus 1x. How much? There straight away you subtract. Clear? 10x minus 1x. How much? 9x. 10x minus 1x is 9x you put. Is equal to, right hand side subtract. This minus this. You see, decimal part is same. So everything will be 0. So 3 minus 0, 3. 3 minus 0, 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 by 9. So x is equal to 1 by 3. X is equal to 1 by 3, which is in the form of P by Q. Hence proved. Therefore, this is in the form of P by Q. P by Q, hence proved. Understand? You see next example. Express the following recurring decimals. Recurring means repeating decimals in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. So this is what repeating decimals. Clear? So first one we will first you take what is given number, that is take it as x. 2.124. Write the meaning. X is equal to, write the meaning of 2.124 bar. That is 1 to 4 will repeat. This group will repeat like this. It is going on. So keep it equation number 1. Keep it equation number 1. Clear? Now next what you have to do is, see same, if you multiply 100, 1000, 10 like that, if you multiply means same decimal part you have to get same digit. You see here after decimal, here 3 digit there. After decimal 1, 2, 3, right? So 1000 means 1000 multiply means again you will get 1 to 4, 1 to 4 like that. So that multiply by 1000 on both sides. Multiply by 1000 on both sides. We get 1000x is equal to, here 1000 multiply means this decimal you should bring here. Okay, so 2124, 2124, again 0.124, 124, 124 like this going on. This is equation number 2. Now what you have to do? Subtract. What you have to do? Subtract. So 2 minus 1 gives, 2 minus 1 gives 1000x minus 1x is 999x. That's equal to, here this decimal part is same. You see both the equation decimal parts same. So you subtract means what? Everything will be 0. So integer part alone you subtract. That means 2 subtract. 2124 minus 2 is 2122. Therefore x is equal to 2122 by 999. Clear? So this is in the form of P by Q. This is in the form of P by Q. Clear? Hence proved. Clear? X is equal to 0.23737 only bar. Okay, 37 only bar is given. So that means 37 only repeating. So this can be written as right. Therefore, X is equal to 0.23737 only repeating. Okay. Now we have to what take two equation. The decimal part should be same. So this one we cannot take it as 1 because here 1 2 alone not repeated. That's why we cannot take. That's why what you have to do is first to give multiply by 10 means this point decimal point bring here. Clear? So multiply by 10. Multiply by 10 on both sides. So listen properly. Clear? So multiply by 10 means 10x. 10x is equal to here 2.373737 dot dot. This one you take it as 1. Clear? So here you have to get the decimal part same. That is the idea. Clear? Again you multiply again. Now you see 3 7 there. So this point you have to bring here means again decimal part will be same. That means how much you have to multiply in this you take. How much you have to multiply? 100. Multiply by 100 on both sides. This equation again multiplying by 100 means it will be 1000. It will be 1000x is equal to here multiply by 100 means this point will come here 2 decimal. That is 237.373737 like this going on. That is 2. Understand? Clear? Now subtract 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 2 minus 1. You see 1 and 2. 2 here. 1000x minus 10x. How much is 1000x minus 10x? 990x. 1000x minus 10x. That is 990x. That's equal to. Here. That's equal to. You see the decimal part same. Okay, you subtract means it will become 0. Leave it. No need to write. Now 237 minus 2. Integer part alone you subtract. 237 minus 2 how much is? 235. 235. Therefore x is equal to 235 by 990. 235 by 990. You can simplify also this. Okay, you can simplify means 5 table you see. Will go 5 table. Okay, 5 table how many time will go here? 4 time. Then again 3 is the remainder. 35 means that is 7. Here 5 table 9 1 time will go. Right? 49 9 time will go. 48. Right? So this is in the form of P by Q. Therefore, P by Q equal to that's all. Clear? So now we will see exercise 1.3. First problem. What is given? Write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. First one you see 36 by 100. We will do first one 36 by 100. Right? That is nothing. In the denominator how many 0 there? 2 0 there. So numerator 2 digit there. So 0.36. So whatever denominator you have 0, just what leave the 2 digit then keep the point. Clear? 2 digit from the right you count, then keep the point. 0.36. What kind of decimal? Terminating decimal. This is terminating decimal. Therefore, it is terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Second one you will see. Second one 1 by 11. So how to divide? Ordinary division, how to divide? Clear? 11 denominator, 1 is numerator right inside, denominator always outside. Okay. So 11 we cannot divide. That's why 1 0 add. For that also 1 0 add means immediately keep the point. Immediately you should keep the point. Again, okay, you divide means we cannot. So 1 more 0 you take. Here 1 more 0 add means clear. Here you have to write 0. Understand? Now how many times will go? 9 times, 99. Okay, 9 you write here. Again remainder 1 coming. Same thing coming. Here, same thing coming. So again 1 0 put means here 1 0 because we cannot divide. That's why 1 0 input. Then you add 1 more 0 means how many times will go? 9 times will go. Clear? So like this 0 9 0 9 0 9 you will get. Like this it is going on. Clear? Again you put what? 99 will come. Again 1. Again 100 you have to put again like this. Okay. Therefore this 1 by 11 can be written as 0.090909 . That is 0.09 bar. So which type of decimal expansion? Non-terminating and repeating. Non-terminating and repeating decimal. Clear? Non-terminating and repeating decimal. It is non-terminating. I will write there. It is non-terminating and repeating decimal. Repeating decimal. Okay, the question mainly asked what kind of decimal, so you have to mention right answer. Clear? Only up to that if you do means you will not get full mark. How to write the type of decimals. Clear? Third one we will see. 4 1 by 8 is mixed fraction. Clear? Mixed fraction. That's why you have to make it as fraction means multiply 33 by 8. Now divide ordinary division 33 by 8. How many time will go? 4 times. 4 times will go 32. For the remainder 1. Okay. So 1 cannot divide. That's why you are putting 1 0 means keep point. Now how many time will go? 1 time will go. Right? Now 8. 2 is the remainder. Again 1 0 you put means how many time will go? 20. 20 by 8 how many times? 2 times will go. Right? So 16. So 4. 1 0 put means how many time will go? 5. So 40. That is 0. Therefore this 33 by 8 is nothing but 4.125 is terminating. 4.125 is for terminating decimal. Therefore it is terminating decimal. Okay. You see that exercise 1.3 second problem. You know that 1 by 7 is given. Already we have done also. Clear? So can you predict what the decimal expansion of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 or without actually doing long division? See, once you know 1 by 7 means 2 by 7 easily we can find out because 2 by 7 can be written as 2 into 1 by 7. But what is 1 by 7? Already we have in the problem, it is given. What is 1 by 7? 0.142857 bar there. So just to multiply it, 14, 5, 2, 10, 11, then 17 means 5, 8, 2.0 bar you put. The bar as it is you multiply. 7 into 2, 14, carry 1, 10 means 11, carry 1, 16 means 17, carry 1, 4 means 5, carry 1, then 8, 2 into 14, clear, 11, 17, carry 1 means 5, correct, then 8, then 2. That's all. So when you multiply means you will get 0.28571 bar. Clear? So like this easily we can find out. Same way 3 by 7 means 3 multiply. That's all. 3 by 7 means 3 multiply. Clear? You can do easily. You can do. Okay. Okay. Remaining problem we will see in the next part. Clear? That's all. Next.